Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabby and I'm so glad that you're joining me today. And in today's video, I have a special guest. This is my little brother, Mikey. Tell him how old you are.
12.
He's 12 years old, and I thought it would be a good idea, although I am slowly regretting this. I thought it would be a good idea for him to do my makeup today. So he picked out all of his products that he wants to use. I let him go ham in my little makeup drawer and stuff. And he's gonna do like a full face. He's got foundation, he's got primer, he's got bronzer, eyeshadow, lipstick, all that kind of stuff. So he's really gonna do everything. And tell him how you feel about it.
Don't even know anymore.
He doesn't know anymore, guys. So I'm a little nervous. He's also really interested to use brushes, so yeah. I also have makeup wipes here, so as soon as this is over, I'm gonna wipe it all off. So unless it looks really good for some reason, but I don't think it will. So yeah. But as always, if you like this video, if you like me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, give it a big thumbs up, also share it with your friends. I have a feeling this one's probably going to be a funny one, so definitely share it with some people who want to laugh. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get right into the video. What are you doing first? You don't know at all?
Powder?
Well, okay, you've watched some of my videos before, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so you kind of know.
Okay, okay.
What do I normally do first?
This?
Yeah.
Yes?
Sort of, but go ahead. Okay, so show them what you're using. This is the Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Beige. And how are you going to apply this?
Squirt it on my hands, just rub it.
I mean, okay.
Or squirt it on your face. You want me to
just go for it.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, got
oh. You don't want to use like a brush? Or...
Oh, what brush?
Which one do you think?
I'm gonna go with my favorite brush. Where is it? No, I lost my favorite brush. Yes.
Okay.
Wee. Make sure not to get it in your eyebrow. I don't know if I'm supposed to use a little. Is it supposed to like show or?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, it's supposed to cover my whole face.
Oh, you look like you're crying, bro.
It's supposed to cover my whole face.
Okay. Now you're just. And I'm making sure. I just don't want to cry. And look at the nose on the side. And on the nose. Yeah, it's basically. Oh, wait. There we go.
You're done.
Pretty sure.
What next?
Okay,
If you think that goes next, yes.
it's powder.
Okay, show them what
Is it
powder.
powder?
This is the e.l.f. powder.
Is it powder? That is powder.
So yeah, you just.
There's nothing in it.
Because it's got a little thingy. You gotta.
Oh, my bad. Okay.
Oh no!
Oh! I thought you turned it off. I thought you turned it. Oh.
Okay, and what? You gonna use the puff?
Yeah. I'm gonna use the puff. I don't want to touch it with my hands. I like puff. Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, this isn't gonna give me a flashback or anything.
It's gonna need a little bit more because I'm using a lot.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, it's white now.
So you should probably dust it away with a brush. That same brush you use the foundation with?
Okay. Dust. Okay. Dust. Dust, 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 dust. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. Dust.
So we have foundationed and powdered.
Your face.
And let's go ahead and do the next one.
Liquid highlight. Oh yes, I probably should have used that. Oh, no.
Did it break? Oh, it broke! It broke!
You have a bunch of money. You can buy another one.
Guys, it literally just bursted on the floor.
At least it didn't get everywhere. It's in one small pile.
Excuse us for one moment. All right, so round 2, because someone decided to drop the glass liquid highlighter.
I didn't decide. My hands did.
Okay, so what are you doing now?
Wet and wild. But highlight. You can say it.
He's going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder since he broke the liquid one. All right, so how are you going to apply this?
I'm gonna use a brush and pat it on your face.
Okay. So
just use this one. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Why is it not going on?
Oh, it's on there.
It is? Sure, I don't see
Yeah,
it.
you're dusting it away. Look.
My bad.
Where does highlighter go? Do you know on the face where it goes?
The chin, cheek, forehead.
Ah, okay.
Clear. Yeah, I can see little specks of glitter.
Okay. So what next?
Oh,
You better not drop another one.
I feel like I should have used this.
The sponge?
That's what it is?
Yes, it's a sponge.
Okay, I know I'm gonna do the eyebrows last. So, pretty sure.
So, what next? The eyeshadow or what? What do you want to do next? This is your show, buddy.
Okay, then. Alright, guys. Okay, let's use this.
So, show the people.
Oh, yes. This is the Color Pop. It's Color?
Color Pop.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's not spelled color, but okay.
What is it?
The Color Pop.
Well, what is it?
Pressed powder face.
Pressed powder face. Cool. Show them.
This, and it's got a little mirror so you can see. Okay.
So how are you gonna apply that?
I'm gonna use another brush.
Go for it.
No. We need a big. Yeah, let's get a big one. See that? It's a big. Big.
Oh, that's a lot. You might want to tap that off just a little.
I didn't think you would apply that much. Okay. Yeah, you can see it. There you go. It looks spotless. A little dusty, but spotless. This looks nice. Okay, let's use this.
Sure. What is it?
It's the Real Her. Yeah, the Real Her. Be Fearless, Be Limitless Blush Kit.
Show them the shades.
Oh yes. There's a mirror and Fearless, Limitless, Unstoppable.
He's such a beauty guru.
Looks like blush kit. So it looks like it's supposed to go everywhere. Okay, looks like it's there even though I can't see it.
So what now?
Okay, which ones have I not done? I've not done these. Okay. Radiant, Creamy, yeah, I'm using this first.
Do you know what that is?
Clear.
Concealer! Do you know what concealer does?
It seals your face.
Yeah. That's what it does. NARS.
NARS. That's
NARS.
Radiant, Creamy, Clear.
Concealer.
Oh yeah, I want to call it Clear. Oh. A little bit right here. A little bit right here. Oh, I didn't see it. Right here. Oh, little bit right there, and a little bit right there.
Ow.
My bad. Don't want to damage your brain and stuff. So then what do I do? Do I just leave a dot on your cheeks?
No, you blend it out.
What?
You blend it out with like a brush.
Oh,
or
okay.
Like a...
Let's go with a tiny brush. Brush, 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 brush. Oh yeah, it's in there. It's in there. Getting better already.
To show them your eyeshadows. That you
Oh yes,
chosen.
yes. Buxom?
Yes.
Okay, Buxom.
Why did you choose this one?
Glitter.
Because it has sparkly shades.
Yes.
Okay. And then this one, which is shown. Tartiest.
Tartiest Pro eyeshadow. Yeah. And we got a lot there.
Alright, so what are you going to use first?
Guess I have to use... Okay, so I'm going to use this one first. Let's use... this one? I like this one. This one's pretty good.
He's going in with the blue. Sparkly shade.
Do I just do it? Yeah, I do right there. I'm getting it on your eyelash. Oh, wow. Sure, that really gets it. Really gets the whole eye. Your eye looks so weird when it... Okay, there you go. Actually, that doesn't look half bad. Oh, wait, I forgot to do this part. Doesn't look half bad.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do a second one then.
You're going to use 2 shades? Okay.
Ooh, I like this one. It's gold, I think. Is it gold? No, it's bronzing.
He's really digging in there. Okay, go for it.
Yeah. Get it in between there.
In my inner corner?
Yep, your inner.
That is some true technique right there.
Yeah!
That makes me feel good.
Oh no. I might have had to put this second. I might have forgot. I was looking, which gooey thing should I use next? I couldn't find anything. I was like, let's just use something else. Okay, so this is e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer that I should have used 3 minutes ago.
But he's still gonna do it.
And we're doing the same technique. That's some weird color. Do I want to use a hand or do I want to use a brush? Because I don't really...
You can...
This one's purple, so it'll help.
Okay.
It stuck to it. What is the deal here? Yeah, okay. That looks... Actually, it's not actually turning up. It's turning out pretty good.
If you say so.
ColourPop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray.
Oh, okay.
Close your eyes. I don't...
Oh, okay. I think that's good. That's good. Gonna let it dry.
Okay.
Okay, jeez. I'm really nervous.
Just hold your eyelashes out.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to look straight. And you're going to go like into my eyelashes, okay? Oh, jeez.
He said in the eyelashes.
Not like in like to jab me, like sweep them up.
Oh, okay.
Oh God.
Oh, you just stay as still as possible.
Oh. Okay, that one
You
was
stop
a little better.
blinking your eye, please.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh, that was actually better. Okay.
Okay. Wait. The last step. Show them.
Oh. The Fenty. The N is backwards.
Yeah.
Okay. The Fenty Beauty lipstick.
Why did you choose this one?
It's my favorite color. Red. And it looks cool. I like the silver.
Okay, just follow my lips.
Okay.
I won't talk.
And don't laugh either. Okay, I gotta maintain my balance. Wait, we gotta cover. No.
Should I?
You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. Okay.
Are we done? We're done. Okay, so hand me the mirror so I can look at it. Alright, guys. Oh my gosh! What in the world? I mean, the eyeshadows are pretty okay, I guess. A little. I like the blue and the gold. But my lips, like, you didn't even get my lips right!
I mean, half of it is dry, and then the other half is just soggy.
This is my little brother's masterpiece, guys.
New face in the new. Yeah.
Alright, guys, so this is
Can't describe.
yeah, it's undescribable, huh?
We'll just call it the thing.
The thing. Gotcha. This is the thing that my brother did to my face. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got a lot of laughs out of it because it was quite an experience. We broke some stuff, we poked some eyes out, we had a good time. So I hope you enjoyed it because I did not. No, I'm just kidding. It was really fun. But yeah, so if you guys like my little brother and you want to see him potentially on my channel again or doing something crazy and weird, and potentially some of my other family members because our family's pretty crazy, definitely let me know in the comments below. Also, like I said before, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!